tear I ever cried, trying to wash me clean again. What if every riverbed was a message in disguise? Every storm cloud rolling in, just a lesson from the sky. I spent years looking upward, searching galaxies and stars. Never thought to look inside at the ocean in my heart. What if God was water, flowing through us all? In the rain against the rooftop, in the waterfall, in the blood inside our veins, in the mirror of a lake. Maybe heaven isn't somewhere else, maybe it's in every way. They say water keeps a memory, every word leaves its trace. Love can soften frozen places, fear can change a liquid shape. So I stop cursing my reflection, stop